Today's a little something for a good friend that wanted to be able to store some mica supplies for her wood soap making materials. I use A1, so it has a 10 by 10 inch or 256 by 256 millimeter bed. I'm going to use an inch and a half, which is the diameter of the vial, and go ahead and make sure it's in position in preparation for actually creating a rectangular array. And once that is created, we can continue forward with making it into an extrusion. And once it's extruded, let me go ahead and verify that everything is correct. So we're going to double check everything, and as most people would understand, double checking is not necessarily a bad thing. So once I'm satisfied that that is actually what I need, I'm going to go ahead and start saving it for my A1 Bamboo Lab Studio. The way to do that, well, I'm sure there are plenty of other YouTube videos, as you can see, that give you details. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and work on saving this myself as a 3MF file and be able to ensure I know exactly where it's at as I save it for myself. And of course, making sure that it is 3MF and the proper name. And once it is actually saved, then I'll show you what it actually looks like on the printer. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish this up. And now we can see it, a quick shot of the printer itself. And ludicrous speed is not all it's cut out to be, but it sure does the job and a bit quicker. A finished product that I'm certain that you'll be happy with.